Hey Kodos, what's up? Hope you are doing great. I came with another interesting topic, document your learning. Like we will be learning many technologies regularly, but we are exactly not sure where to store the notes or cheat sheets for our further reference. So I will be guiding you through how to get started with preparing the notes for each and every technology with every concept. So for this we will be using Notion and ChatGPT to prepare our notes. Before getting started, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. So documenting our learning is very important, so we can refer them further and also we can track our learning progress. So here we are using Notion to prepare our learning for any technology. So let me open in new page where we can create the entire learning of any technology. So I will be taking a React as example. So we can write a React notes here. I have also taken all the concepts in React to explain you how we can create it. So we can directly format this toggle list. So it will be easy to us to get into those topics and drop our notes from any resources like YouTube playlist or ChatGPT or any type of AI. So here we are using ChatGPT to generate notes for this type of topics. You can use any type of resources as you need, like W3 School or React MD and Docs. You can use as per your requirement. But for now I am using ChatGPT. So I will directly select study and learn option. So I can enter React single page application. It will directly generate a note for us. So we can directly copy paste this. First we need to read all the notes given by the ChatGPT. Later on we can the notes and directly paste inside our single page application. You can also go in depth to understand single page application on any of other resources, which is difference between library and framework. Those our notes. As we know, React is a library, not a framework, and Angular is a framework. We can understand the differences by getting through all these notes. I'm just giving for an example, so you can learn by getting in-depth knowledge on each and every topic. So virtual DOM is very much important in React. As we know, DOM is used for like a document object model, where it is used to get the details of the browser. So let me get the difference with the nodes for virtual DOM. So we can directly use this node. Or else we also have this inbuilt AI to generate nodes for us. You can also use can directly use the Notion AI to generate our notes. Will think and directly generate the important topics in React in a beautiful way. You can directly use it for our reference. So it's already generated the topics in bullet points about all the React states, error boundaries for handling the components, and also context API, higher order components, and state and props, and how to handle the events in React. In React is getting to know about the difference between class and functional components. So that is the main difference we need to understand clearly. And we can also directly keep it as star for our reference. Will directly get added into our favorites. So we can also share this link to anyone. We can directly access with our credentials, and we can also give the full access or else can edit or any type of access similar to the Google documents. We can also publish this website where anyone can view this page public. So we will be directly publishing this site. This site is now live. You can also check from here. So this is directly generated as a public page. Yes, anyone can access and read your notes from here. So best thing in using Notion pages is that we can directly copy paste the code from the pages to our VS Code. So let me take an example of lifecycle methods. So it will generate with beginner level examples. So this will give us the entire syntax of lifecycle methods. Yeah, this is where we can directly copy paste this and use it in our Notion template. So here we can store it inside the lifecycle method. It will directly get pasted with the exact same template of what the ChatGPT has given. So we can start with the constructor and component did mount, component did update method, and component will unmount method. You will be having 3 types of states in lifecycle methods, right? So we can directly use this. So this is the best part in Notion, where we can directly use the code from here, and we can also add any more comments. And we can also add a cover page for our Notion template, any of the cover page as per our requirement, and we can directly upload from here. We will be having the default templates as well, so we can use any of them. So that's all about adding the notes or documenting our learning. So I will come up with all the best AIs that we can use to perform better in our coding, and also can really build a real world applications using just prompts. Thanks for watching. Bye.